So, we're staying for our first night here at Kidani Village. We've got a Savannah view for the first couple nights. And here is the Savannah, right from our balcony. And where we are, we're up on the 4th floor. You can see the people over there, kind of looking out onto the Savannah. That's over where Sanaa is, so this is like the main Savannah. There's a few gazelle out. And some kind of white wildebeest thing. Kudu. Yeah, maybe a kudu. And there's a squirrel. We can see a squirrel running over there. Other than that, there doesn't seem to be much else out right now, but it is getting to be evening.
No giraffe. Maybe in the morning.
Yeah, no giraffe or anything like that, but certainly a nice view. So here's our room. Here in Kidani Village, we've got a mini fridge here. You know, a microwave, coffee pot, sink, pots, pans, toaster. It looks like it connects to one of the rooms next door, but that's currently locked off. We've got the bathroom here. We've got the toilet, has its own little nook off to the left here. There's me. And behind the door, we've got the shower. Definitely a very themed room, as you can see in the shower. Got a nice little theming there. All along inside the shower. Yeah, actually, I don't know what this is. That's a closet. And then it opens up, there's a light switch around here somewhere, into the main room. Got the king bed, very African themed. Got a ceiling fan, TV again. Got the wooden theming. Well, it sounds like there's something outside making noise.
The bird is out there.
I guess this is like a wardrobe. Yep, here we go. We got another wardrobe. Got a nice little sitting area here. Another lamp in the corner.
Do you think it's luggage valet service?
Yeah, I think it's luggage valet service. And then out onto our balcony, where we were in the previous video. Got a nice view here. Just some antelope outside. That's about it right now. A really nice view. Whole Savannah. We'll have to see how it is tomorrow morning when we get up. Hopefully there'll be some giraffe. So earlier, I didn't know where the animals were, but you know, we've got this wildlife sporting guide right here. Shows you all the wildlife, you know, that we've got here on the Savannah. If I could just get it to work right. You know, we've got some cattle, zebra, Somali wild ass, giraffe, haven't seen those yet, some okapis, haven't seen them, Red River hog, Ruppel's griffon vulture, white-billed bearded wildebeest, some waterbuck, some antelope, some onyx, an addax, an eland, pelican, ostrich, kudu, nyala, not even going to try to pronounce that, impala, Thompson's gazelle, radiated tortoise, I don't think we're going to see that from the room, some guinea fowl, and then we've got some other birds, some flamingo, waterfowl, blue crane, hornbill, stork, spoonbills, and other native birds. That's very specific. And also they warn you, you know, not to feed the animals, which, you know, should go without saying. But yeah, so this will be all the animals that we should be able to see from our room.